In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front splash guard on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located inside of the wheel well. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 3 bolts. Remove the 3 plastic clips using a trim tool. Ours only has 2. There should be a 3rd one on the bottom. If your vehicle is old, these can get brittle. They may break. You may have to replace them. Install the new splash guard. Install the plastic clips. We're using replacement clips. This is that 3rd one that should be there. Install the screws. Repeat the same thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.